This is a mic check video. I was hoping anything comes through. Double check microphone settings. Let's see here. Still getting used to the new interface on Ubuntu 20. Let's see here. Bluetooth system's going to be disabled. Where's my sound at? Oh yeah, there is so much background noise that even the fan noise there would interrupt. And actually, what's a great part about it is the same. That background chatter is because I'm living in a sound tunnel, effectively. It occurs in some city architectural and auditorium type effects, you know, city planning, noise pollution. Throw a fan on and it kind of makes it worse because it works as an ambient carrier band at that point. Carrier band. The great part about this is with this microphone system I should be able to get perfect quality. But I'm not. No matter where I'm at that point. In fact, I'm getting a lot of the same background noise. Well, only thing I can do from that point is try to do something like this, and figure out why it won't charge properly. Shit. Sorry. I can get this Bluetooth little speaker that's always flaking out on me, but it works because it has a short in it. So I can actually put that next to a radio, which I have right here, an AM FM radio that currently has a tapper signal running. That I can now play for you. Now the tapper signal. I don't want to lose my station. I listen to Savage Nation and all that.
Field protection. With the honey badger supposed to that? I thought it'd be a
What's on your power grid?
And you've got maybe 16 rounds instead of 6 rounds.
Now here's a really cool thing. Take this.
Social enough to Trump for most of us. I was going to go to Alaska, and I was worried about bears and handguns for protection.
If you like that audio sample, it's about to go live.
And I'm loaded with Honey Badgers.